everyone, I'm hoping that you all are doing good. So, it's been a while that we've connected. My last topic was related to the service portfolio, which includes all the services which can be provided by the project, in order to move the project properly with all the processes involved. It can be your change management, it can be your problem management, it can be your incident management. So another point which is coming here is related to service assurance. What's the assurance of giving these things? First part was related to service availability. Whatever the services you are providing, whether is it, are you able to provide it whenever it is required or requested, or whatever the services, whatever the servers you are using, whatever the assets you are using, can be hardware, can be softwares, is it available at the respective time whenever it is required? That's the availability management, right? I think I already discussed about this in our last video. That's related to availability management and capacity management. It includes many things, not only the servers, not only the hardware and software, but the resources also. Are they competent enough to support you whenever it's required? I remember that I gave you the example of a season-wise demand for service providers. For example, you're providing some services to a bank, right? In Canada or Australia, there'll be definitely a time in a year that they will all be going on vacations. So that service will be unused at that point in time, and capacity also. So this is how the availability management is, how competent your resources, how competent your systems are in order to support the service. This is one that was related to the service assurance, and another one, it's related to service continuity, which we call it as business continuity management plan. So for example, you are supporting a critical business. For example, you're giving your services to a bank, right? So it's a critical one, right? Suppose something happened. For example, COVID happened, right? In 2019, 2020. Afterwards, what happened? Everything switched to work from home mode, right? So if your services are not properly described, properly maintained, supervised, then how the model will work, how the service will be provided. It's just like a loss to a business, to the organization itself, to whom the organization is supporting the business. For example, my company is giving these services to a bank which is situated in Canada, and that's their client, right? So here you need to support in such a way that there will be no loss situation for you and for your client as well, right? So I'm hoping that you understand about it. But we have similar number of documentations, plans, tests to be done in the business continuity service management plan, which we call it as BCMS. And basically it doesn't vary organization to organization, but it includes that service continuity. It comes under the clause of service continuity that the BCP is to be used in my organization. In other organization, it may be something else, the terminology may differ, but it definitely related to the continuity only. I am hoping that you understand it. So this is what I'm trying to say. Afterwards will be coming up, or I think we are left with two more clauses that's related to improvement, and I think the improvisation or monitoring. So I'll be definitely discussing that up in our later videos. Till the time, you can definitely search about it, and happy learning. Thank you.